A very happy morning, dear students. This is Nisar sir. Welcome to my channel NK Maths Academy. Dear students, let's begin a new topic in this video, that is probability. And let me say you, this is the easiest topic. And I can say that for the slow learners, this is an oxygen. अब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ऑक्सीजन मतलब क्या. Okay, so let me clear one more thing. See, you people are not in front of me. Okay, अगर if you children are in front of me, I can enjoy a lot. I can make the class more awesome. But finally, you are not with me. This is an online teaching, so I will try to give my 100% as possible. And more, one more thing, at the last of this video, I will be sure that you will be clear with your all the doubts regarding this topic. So without wasting more time, let's start the topic. So let's start the topic. See, dear students, one more thing I want to say you. See, many Hindi medium students and semi-medium students, they complain me that, sir, please try to speak more in Hindi because they are not able to clear everything in English. So I'll try to speak more in Hindi. Okay. So let's begin the topic, probability. Yes. So dear students, in the first part of the chapter, there is a conversation between a teacher and the student. So we'll begin. Yes, this is a teacher. अब टीचर ने क्या किया, टीचर ब्रॉट वन चीट बॉक्स. ओके, टीचर ने चीट बॉक्स लाए. फॉर एग्जांपल, आपके क्लास के अंदर सपोज 50 स्टूडेंट्स है. अब ये 50 स्टूडेंट्स है. ओके, सो आपके क्लास के अंदर 50 स्टूडेंट्स है. सो 50 स्टूडेंट्स रहने के बाद टीचर ने 50 चीट्स बॉक्स के अंदर लेकर आए. And he has written names of the plants on that sheets. So 50 different names of the plants were written on the sheets. मतलब 50 sheets जो थे, 50 sheets, उन 50 sheets के ऊपर 50 different names of the plants were there. And there was one name, basil. Okay. Yes. See, basil. Basil means what? Tulsi. So what teacher said, dear students, अब ये 50 चीट्स के अंदर एक चीट के ऊपर बेसिल लिखा है. ओके, आपको क्या करना है, आपको लाइन के अंदर अरेंज होना है. ओके, 50 स्टूडेंट्स विल स्टैंड इन अ लाइन अकॉर्डिंग टू द रोल नंबर. फिर आपको एक एक चीट पिक करना है. एंड लेट मी सी हु विल गेट द चीट ऑफ बेसिल. वो कौन लकी स्टूडेंट होगा जिसको बेसिल की चीट मिलेगी. दिस वाज एन सिंपल एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म इन द क्लास. ओके, देन अब वहां पर 50 स्टूडेंट्स की लाइन बनना स्टार्ट हो गई. देन देयर वर very intelligent, there were very intelligent student, as you people are. Okay, so the first student, that is Aruna, what Aruna said, sir, I am the first person in a line, I don't want to pick a cheat first, as the possibility of getting basil cheat from all the cheat is very low. उसने पहले ही क्लियर कर दिया, सर मैं फर्स्ट हूँ लाइन के अंदर, अगर मैं चीट पिक कर दी तो मेरी पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत लेस है, मुझे चीट बेसिल चीट नहीं मिल सकती. एंड देयर इज वन मोर स्टूडेंट, she is in the last of the line, her name is Zarina. What she said, sir, I am the last student in the row, I don't want to pick the cheat at last, as the cheat containing the name basil will most likely be picked up by someone else before my turn. मैं एक लाइन के अंदर लास्ट हूँ, मेरे तक आने तक कोई ना कोई स्टार्टिंग में ही बेसिल की चीट पिक कर लेगा. सो दिस वेयर द इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट. आप भी ऐसा ही करते. So what we got from this observation, we will see. The first and the last student feel that for each of them, the possibility of getting the cheat having the name Basil is very low. Basil, the above conversation indicates the thinking of less and or more possibility. See, first वाले students को last वाले students को क्या लगा कि Basil की जो cheat है मुझे मिलने के लिए बहुत less possibility है. That they got. And what here start the topic, probability. Okay, so what is the meaning of probability? Dear students, probability means possibility. Okay, what are the possible situations? So you know that we use the following words in our day-to-day life: probable, maybe, impossible, sure, nearly, 50-50. So these are nothing but the possibility. And some more examples. Yes. See, read the following statement regarding predictions. What are the possibilities for the future? Most probably, the rain will start from today. The inflation is likely to rise. It is impossible to defeat Indian cricket team in the next match. I will surely get first class. There is no possibility of polio infection if a child is given the polio vaccine in the time. So dear students, these are nothing but the possibilities. So I can say you probability is nothing but it deals with the possibilities. Okay. Yes. So there is one picture in front of you. There are two captains. So two captains are standing there. One is of red house and second one is of blue house. Okay. And our sport teacher, you know the name well, he's going to make a toss. Okay. So you can see the pic there. Yes. So what the adjoining picture shows a toss before a cricket match. So what are the possibilities? See, dear students, now here the coin is to be tossed. If you are going to toss a coin, then what is the possibility over here? What can get there? Either head can come or either tail can come. Okay, या तो head गिरेगा या तो tail गिरेगा. So there are only two possibilities here. इसके अलावा तीसरा कुछ भी नहीं गिर सकता. Either head will come or either tail will come. Yes. So now, dear students, we are going to enter in the topic. Very, very important concept, a random experiment. What is the meaning of random experiment? See, dear student, the experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty. And there is equal possibility for each result is known as random experiment. Means what? See, random experiment means what, dear students? We know the result already. For example, see, dear student, for example, winning of IPL match. Okay, this is not given in your textbook, just I have included by myself. See here, winning of an IPL match means what here? If I ask you, yes, if I ask you who is going to win an IPL match, then definitely what you will say? Sir, 8 teams है, 8 में से कोई भी एक टीम जीतेंगी. It means what? We already know the answer. Out of that 8 teams, only one is going to win. Suppose Mumbai Indians will win, either Chennai Super Kings will win, KKR will win, but who is going to win? Out of that 8, only one is going to win. So we know already the possible results over here. So that is nothing but the random experiment. One more example I will give you here. You can see that tossing a coin. If you are going to toss a coin, yes, if you are going to toss a coin, there are only two possibilities. Either you can get head or either you can get tail. Then, dear students, throwing a die. See, you people are playing Ludo online. You are going, so you can see that if you are going to throw a die, there are only 6 possibilities. Either one can come, two can come, three आ सकता, 4, 5, 6, yes, yes, 6 तक आ सकते. Okay, so कितने possibility अगर die आप throw करते तो there are 6 possibilities. Now, see, picking a card from the set of cards bearing number from 1 to 50 and picking a card from a pack of well shuffled playing cards. So what are the possibilities? See, we people already know the result here. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं आ सकता. That is the random experiment. The experiment. So yes, the experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty. That is nothing but a random experiment. We'll see more about this in the next slide. Yes. Now, what is an outcome? Now, dear students, we'll try to understand the meaning of outcome. See, result of random experiment is known as outcome. Means result what will come in the random experiment. Suppose, for example, there is a random experiment of tossing a coin. See, here it is a tossing a coin. There are two outcomes here. Either head can come or either tail can come. So what is the outcome? That is a result of random experiment is called as outcome. Yes, if you are going to throw a die, what are the possibilities there? There are the 6 outcomes. Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 6, anyone can come. So कितने possibility है यहाँ पर? 6 possibility है. Now, dear students, I want your complete concentration over here because this is very, very important part. Okay, about the cards. Definitely one question आप एक क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली यू विल सी इन द एग्जाम. कार्ड्स के ऊपर डेफिनेट क्वेश्चन आता है. सो आई वांट यू टू कंसंट्रेट केयरफुली ऑन द स्क्रीन. सी, अभी तक हमने कभी कार्ड खेला नहीं. देन आल्सो वी हैव टू लर्न इट. ओके, सो देयर आर टोटल 52 कार्ड्स. जस्ट कंसंट्रेट केयरफुली नाउ. यस, सो देयर आर टोटल 52 कार्ड्स. अब ये 52 कार्ड्स में से हाफ कार्ड्स आर रेड कार्ड्स एंड हाफ आर ब्लैक कार्ड्स. आउट ऑफ 52, 52 का हाफ 26, 26 रेड कार्ड्स, 26 ब्लैक कार्ड्स. अब रेड कार्ड्स के अंदर अगेन डू हाफ ऑफ रेड कार्ड्स, 13 hurt card, 13 diamond card. Do the half of black card, 26 में से 13 club cards and 13 spade cards. See, you can see on the screen. Yes, see here. If you see this one, out of these 52 cards, 26 are red cards and 26 are black cards. Now, how to remember this? This is also one of the very important thing. Yes, see here. 26 कार्ड्स में से 13 हर्ट है और 13 डायमंड है. अब देखो इसको लर्न कैसे रखना है. रेड के अंदर लास्ट में डी है, सो रिमेंबर दैट डायमंड्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन रेड. ओके, सी आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू विल फेस लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. बाद में आपको आप क्या कर देते एग्जाम के अंदर, स्पेड को भी रेड के अंदर इंक्लूड करते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं करना है, इसको लर्न करना है. हर्ट और डायमंड साथ में है. सो 26 में से 13 हर्ट है, 13 डायमंड है, 26 ब्लैक में से 13 क्लब है और 13 स्पेड है. सी यू कैन सी द सिंबल ओवर हियर. These are the symbol for club and spade. See, this type of figure is not given in your textbook. I'm going to explain you in a different way. See, I want you people to make some note over here. अब देखो यहाँ पर 13 कार्ड ये जो है, this is the symbol for yes club card. So there are 13 club card. Okay, 13 here you can see spade, 13 hurt and 13 diamond. Total 52. Now one question I will ask you, dear students, how many face card are there? So first of all there will be a question in your mind, sir face card किसको बोलते? See, जिसके ऊपर face बना है that is called as face card. So you can see over here there are total 12 face card. यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर 3. टोटल कितने हो गए? 12 face card. So if I ask you how many face cards are there? There are total 12 face card. Make a note in your notebook. There are total 12 face card. If I ask you face card, black face card, how many black face cards are there? So you can say me 6 are there. These 3, these are 6. How many red face cards are there? These are also 6. If I ask you how many A's are there in all? See, dear students, A's means A, means single. See, it is called as Ekka in Hindi. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 A's cards. So whatever may be the question, you should answer. See, that's why you need to learn this one. So once again, I will revise. There are total 52 cards. Out of that, half are red, half are black. Then 13 are hurt, 39 diamonds in the red cards, 13 are club and 13 are spade in the black card. This chart, I want you people to learn it very perfectly. Yes. Now, the very important part we are going to see. Now, dear students, we are going to see a very important part, exercise 5.1. Okay, this is very, very simple exercise, believe me. Okay, so what is the first question? How many possibilities are there in each of the following? We need to find the number of possibilities. So see the first question. There is a person named Vanita. Vanita known the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in the summer vacation. So there is a person Vanita. अब उसके कुछ ना कुछ places पता है. So what are the names of that places? Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Mathiran and Anandwan. इतने places वनिता को पता है. And the question is what? How many possibilities are there? So she is going to plan a visit. So where, how many possibilities are there that she can go there? So you just count the number of places. कितने places उसको पता है? उसको total 8 places पता है. So ये 8 में से कहीं ना कहीं जाएंगी. That's why the answer to this question is what? There are 8 possibilities Vanita can visit. Very simple question. Okay. The next question is what? Any day of a week is to be selected. अब एक डे सिलेक्ट करना है, कितने पॉसिबिलिटीज आएंगे? मुझे बताओ कि वीक के अंदर कितने डेज है? 7 डेज है. सो आपको 7 में से कोई भी एक डे सिलेक्ट करना है. तो टोटल कितने पॉसिबिलिटी आ सकते हैं? सी, either Sunday can come, Monday can come, Tuesday can come, Wednesday can come. Okay, out of that 7, 1 can come. So if you are going to select a day from a week, there are only 7 possibilities. So how to write the answer? There are 7 days in a week. Therefore, there are 7 possibilities. Very simple. Okay. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. 52 cards में से आपको एक कार्ड सिलेक्ट करना है. कितने पॉसिबिलिटीज आ सकते हैं भाई? कितने कार्ड्स है टोटल? देयर आर 52 कार्ड्स. सो नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज विल बी 52 ओनली. वो 52 में से कोई भी एक कार्ड आ सकता. दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज देयर आर 52 पॉसिबिलिटीज टू सिलेक्ट वन कार्ड. The last one number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. So what should be the answer? Now many students will say, sir, answer 10 aayega. 10 numbers are written. There, that is not 10. Count it, okay? They are actually 11. So we'll count that. See, so numbers on the cards are written 10. See here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. टोटल कितने हो गए? 9 प्लस 10 1 11, 9 plus 2 11, so total कितने हो गए? 11. So there are 11 possibilities. Hope you have enjoyed this one, and this was the first exercise, dear students.